What's up guys, mabuhay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have the one-day Metro Pass. Nakuha ko na siya for only 247 and I'm moving to Umeda para sa ating sightseeing, but I don't know which one. Fernamba, Umeda, I think this one kasi Namba Umeda, right? So let's see.
お願いいたします。車内の駅構内で不審物を発見された場合は変わらず直ちに乗務員または駅係員を知らせてください。皆様のご協力お願いいたします。本日も次にお願いします。
We're going out to Umeda Station, but I wanted to check the Lawson first because I wanted to eat. Guys, so let's check first the Lawson, what can we eat. But I don't know if we can actually eat outside of it. But it's a good thing that we can eat something, or I'll try to I'm not really sure if we can eat kasi doon. I'll try to na lang guys, to get outside. Gusto ko kasi yung if kumain. Alright, we can eat there actually on the side. So here's the Lawson. Let's try to pick and eat something. And before tayo pumunta ng Umeda, and para makapag-settle din tayo, and magbubook rin ako nung e-pass for the Klook activities. So I'll muna order food. And we're rolling. We're back to filming. Nakakain ako guys. Sandwich lang from Lawson, and ayun, busog naman guys. And everywhere naman may mga vending machine. And later, I'll try to eat Japanese food like mga ramen, ganyan. Depende din kasi kung saan ako matapat. Di naman ako mapili. But today, I wanted to go to Umeda, the Sky Building, guys. Excuse me, sorry. Because Osaka na to eh. Kailangan natin magpunta ng Umeda Sky Building. No? That's the first line of business. And that will be it. I'll just show you the station guys. There's so many person walking. They are fast. And I'm just paving my way. Hindi pala laid back dito. Di lalo na sa Tokyo guys. Here adjustment. I don't know. Here. Just my one-day pass here. Hindi ko alam. Ang bilis ng mga tao guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako lalabas. Doon ako sa wala masyadong tao para ganap na yon. And then thanks to my meron may Gio dito tsaka Uniqlo. May Starbucks, guys. Europixel, SoftBank, Eat and Walk, may GU, Autumn Sale. My goodness, baka mamaya mapabili tayo bigla. But the goal is pumunta sa guys, sa Sky Building. Oh, may Gongcha here. Kaya lang there's already Gongcha in the Philippines eh. So I'll check first guys. Bye. What's up guys? Mabuhay. And nandito ako. Ang dami palang sale ng mga gadgets and all. And then, umakyat lang ako dito kasi upper level pala yung paglabas. And then parang mga 7 minutes, 11 minutes na walk actually. 11 minutes na walk. Papuntang Alameda Sky Building. Paano? Okay, lalabas tayo dito. And ayun, susundan lang natin guys yung maps kasi maps is the key. Ito lang ang kasangga natin sa buhay. Kung walang maps nga tayo. So, the weather, kapag naglalakad ka, mararamdaman mo pa rin yung lamig. Though, makikita mong may araw. Pero yung lamig, tolerable siya. Alam niyo naman ang damit natin. For the Instagram, for the post. Pero kasi guys, pag may hangin, ang lamig. Knowing naman na taga ano tayo, tropical island of the Philippines. So, hindi ko makita guys. Tumatawid tayo guys. And we are going to Meda. Okay. I'm running because 1 bar na lang yung ano. 1 bar na lang kasi yung sa traffic lights. Tapos ako guys, Diyos ko po, dala ko yung power bank. Yung cable guys, hindi ko dala. Ang saya. Diyos ko. Gamit na gamit pa naman yung phone natin para sa pag-data. So, if ever mga ano na lang 20% ganyan, balik na lang ako sa hotel. And then balik na lang ako sa hotel kapag mga 20% and all na. And then kunin ko na lang yung charger since naka-unlimited Metro Pass naman tayo. So, no worries going back and forth. So from there, yun, and I'll show you guys what Osaka looks like. Umeda area. And then, parang merong section kanina dun sa Umeda Station na, ano, oh my god. Umeda Station na mga gadgets. Parang I want to buy tuloy. Ang ganda sa Japan guys. Kaya lang sa Osaka hindi siya ganun ka-laid back. Unlike sa Fukuoka. So, this one. Oh, this is the famous. Ano? I thought it's the chocolate thing. Na famous in Japan. So, parang store lang pala siya. Alright. And then, let's check again. If we are near the Umeda, 12 minutes walk, and it's cold. It's good to be back in Japan guys. Sobrang ganda ng weather during October. Hindi nakakapagod. Ayun. And waiting lang ako dahil naka-traffic light. Ayan guys. Lamig. Ang lamig ng hangin guys. Kahit sabihin yung ano, may araw. Pag hinampas ka ng hangin, maninigas ka lang talaga sa lamig. Ayun, and then I'm just checking lang tayo guys papuntang Umeda Station. Usually ang mga malls dito parang mga 11 nagbubukas, ganun pala dito. I thought ano, maaga sila, kaya sakto lang pala yung gising ko kanina na nagtatanghali din ako ng gising gawa ng puyat ako kahapon. Kasi diba nag-flight tayo, nag-ikot-ikot, pumunta ako ng Donkey, pero hindi ako namili, sightseeing muna. Kasi plan ko is bago umuwi, tsaka ako tsaka ako talaga mamili. Hindi naman yung Alam mo yun, kakarating lang natin, tapos mega donkey agad, bili agad, too early. So that would be it, I believe. Bye.